the most affordable all-wheel drive cars of 2023. All-wheel drive has become a coveted feature in the automotive world, especially with the growing popularity of trucks and SUVs. This technology offers enhanced traction, making it ideal for challenging road conditions and adverse weather. Today, we invite you to join us on our YouTube channel dedicated to automobiles, where we explore various aspects of cars and provide insightful information. In this video, we will delve into an essential and exciting topic, the most budget-friendly all-wheel drive cars of 2023. 1. 2024 Subaru Impreza Base. Starting at $24,085, we begin our list with the 2024 Subaru Impreza, which stands as the most affordable all-wheel drive car in America, although it used to be even more budget-friendly when available as a sedan with a manual transmission. The latest version is only offered as a hatchback with a continuously variable transmission. Equipped with a 152 horsepower 2.0-liter flat-4 engine, it offers 145 pound-feet of torque and returns an impressive 30 mpg combined. While it may not be the most powerful option, the Impreza boasts a spacious interior and a comfortable ride. For those seeking more power, there's an option for an 182 horsepower engine that still remains under the $30,000 mark. 2. 2023 Mazda CX-32 2.5S priced at $24,325. The Mazda CX-32 2.5S shines with 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful vehicle on our list. Equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission, this Mazda provides a spirited driving experience. It excels in handling and steering, offering a premium feel both inside and out. However, it does have some drawbacks, such as slower infotainment and limited rear passenger space. A more potent turbocharged version is available but pushes the price into the mid-$30,000 range. 3. 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport 2.0S priced at $24,595. The Mitsubishi Outlander Sport is the third most affordable odd option in the American market, but also one of the oldest, dating back to its introduction in 2011. Despite its age, it received styling updates in 2020 to align it with the newer Eclipse Cross and Outlander model. While it offers a spacious interior and a lower price point, it lacks in other areas, including a dated interior, lackluster handling, and a buzzy CVT paired with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 148 horsepower and 145 pound-feet of torque. Fuel economy stands at 26 mpg combined. For those seeking more power, a 168 horsepower 2.4-liter engine is available on the top GT trim but starts at just over $29,000. 4. 2023 Hyundai Kona C priced at $24,975. The Hyundai Kona, though soon to be replaced by an updated model, remains an enjoyable compact SUV. Its standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine generates 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, paired with a CVT. Despite modest specifications, the Kona's small size makes it feel agile, and it achieves a respectable 29 to 30 mpg combined depending on trim. It excels in cornering and maneuverability while offering a comfortable ride. However, its small interior and tight rear seat space are notable drawbacks. An option for a turbocharged 1.6-liter model with 195 horsepower exists, but pushes the price close to $30,000 when equipped with OBD. 5. 2023 Toyota Corolla Hybrid priced at $25,545. Our first sedan on the list and the sole hybrid is the Toyota Corolla Hybrid, notable for its exceptional fuel economy, ranging from 44 to 48 mpg combined depending on trim. However, it is the least powerful vehicle on this list, delivering only 138 horsepower and 105 pound-feet of torque from its hybrid 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. It pairs with a CVT, resulting in a somewhat sluggish performance. Nevertheless, the Corolla Hybrid offers a comfortable ride, responsive handling, and a spacious interior that accommodates both front and rear passengers. 6. 2024 Kia Seltos LX priced at $25,715. The Kia Seltos shares its base powertrain with the Hyundai Kona, featuring a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 146 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, paired with a CVT, achieving 29 mpg combined. The Seltos offers a spacious interior and ample cargo room, setting it apart from the Kona. While not as agile as the Kona, it provides a well-rounded driving experience with a comfortable ride. For approximately $30,000, you can opt for the turbocharged 1.6-liter model, delivering the same output as the Kona. 7. 2024 Subaru Legacy Base. Priced at $25,985. While most cars on this list are compact or subcompact, the Subaru Legacy offers more space without breaking the bank. This family sedan stands as one of the most budget-friendly options in its class. Equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine generating 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque, the Legacy delivers a confident and capable performance. With 30 mpg combined, it strikes a balance between power and efficiency. A more potent 260 horsepower turbo engine is available but pushes the price into the mid-$30,000 range. 8. 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross L priced at $26,260. For those seeking a small, affordable odd Toyota with a hatchback design, the Corolla Cross is an excellent choice. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, mated to a CVT. While it may be a bit coarse, it offers adequate acceleration and returns 30 mpg combined. Similar to the Corolla Hybrid, the Corolla Cross balances comfort and responsiveness in ride and handling. Its interior is functional, and it provides more space for passengers and cargo compared to the sedan or hatchback Corollas. A hybrid version with 196 horsepower and 42 mpg combined is available, albeit just shy of $30,000. 9. 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Base. Priced at $26,290, the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek shares many similarities with the Impreza, including the same engine, transmission, body, and interior. However, it distinguishes itself as a more off-road capable option, boasting 8.7 inches of ground clearance and an off-road drive mode known as X mode. Its rugged appearance features chunky plastic fender flares and unique interior colors. Despite its 2.0-liter engine feeling somewhat sluggish, it offers a level of capability unmatched in this list. For those with a more substantial budget, a more potent 2.5-liter engine and an off-road-ready wilderness trim are available. 10. 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LS priced at $26,395. Our final entry introduces the only American car on this list, the Chevrolet Trailblazer LS. Featuring odd, it comes with a turbocharged 1.3-liter three-cylinder engine generating 155 horsepower and 174 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. While not particularly quick or sporty, the Trailblazer offers a quiet, comfortable, and refined driving experience. It boasts a roomy interior that received significant updates for the new model year. However, its fuel economy lags slightly behind at 27 mpg combined. In conclusion, these are the 10 most budget-friendly all-wheel drive vehicles of 2023. Our list includes a variety of options, from sedans to hatchbacks and SUVs, each offering its unique strengths and features. While these cars may not break the bank, they provide valuable odd capabilities for those seeking enhanced traction and stability. If none of these options align perfectly with your needs, remember that there are numerous other cars and SUVs on the market offering odd under the $30,000 price point. Be sure to explore all your options before making a decision to find the perfect odd vehicle for your preferences and needs. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel, where we explore the exciting world of automobiles and provide valuable insights to help you make informed decisions about your next car purchase.